Today we will revise chapter number 17, plants and animals in water. So before we start revision, I want to ask few questions that what do you mean by aquatic? What do you mean by aquatic? Yes, Avni.
Ma'am, aquatic means the things which are in water,
Aquatic means that in water.
which live
Now,
in
what do
water.
you mean by aquatic plants and aquatic animals?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by aquatic plants and aquatic animals?
Aquatic plants means the plants which grow in water, and aquatic animals means which plants live in water.
So how they live in water? How this
Ma'am,
live and plants and animals live in water? How they survive there?
ma'am, they have features, ma'am, like the animals have gills to breathe, and dolphin and shark have lungs. They have features by which they can live.
Uh, they have this type of features from beginning, or they have adapted.
Ma'am, they have beginning, ma'am, but if any animal, ma'am, you told that there are several chains. If an animal wants to live in water, so it has to adaptation.
So they have to adapt according to the surrounding. Everyone have to adapt according to the surrounding. If you want to live, आप अभी इंडिया में रह रहे हो, if you want to live in some another country, so वहाँ का atmosphere अलग होगा, वहाँ का environment, वहाँ की surrounding अलग होगी. So to live, to adjust there, you have to make certain changes. Okay, so this type of changes are called adaptation. So plants and animals, they have also adapted some. They have also adapted some changes in their body features. Okay, so that they can survive in water. They have make certain changes, several changes to survive in water. This is called adaptation. Now let's understand what is aquatic plants through a video that I am going to show you.
Built. We know that all living things, plants, animals, and humans, require water to stay alive. Plants in water. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Aquatic plants can be grouped as follows. Free floating aquatic plants. Plants like water.
So aquatic plants, they are grouped, they are classified into three types. कोई बता सकता है what are those three types? You can drop your answer in chat box. Who has done this? So what are three types? You can drop your answer in chat box. First is free floating plant. What do you mean by free floating plant? Free floating plant. Free means they are free to move here and there. Floating. Floating means they can float on water. Free floating plants. Free floating aquatic plants. Yes, very good. Free floating, submerged, fixed, and fixed rooted plants. Okay, very good. So first is free floating aquatic plants. Plant like water hyacinth, water lettuce, and duckweed. They are called free floating aquatic plants. They can float freely on the surface of water. That's why they are called free floating plants. They can float means they are not rooted. उनकी roots जो है वो pond में, lake में नीचे rooted नहीं है. They can float.
The hyacinth and water lettuce float freely on the surface of water. They float because they are light and have spongy bodies filled with air fixed.
Now, why they can float? Obviously, कौन सी चीजें float करती हैं? That is light, जो light होती हैं, है ना? So, they float because they are light and have spongy bodies filled with air. उनकी leaves कैसी होती है? Spongy होती है, ठीक है? That's why they can float easily, freely on water. They have air-filled cavities that are present on leaves and stem. This air cavity make them light and help them to float on water. Now leaves, they have green color. What is the reason why they are green? They are green because of one pigment that is called chlorophyll. And so they have green leaves and this chlorophyll is restricted to the upper surface of the leaf. अगर आप यहाँ पे पिक्चर में भी देखोगे तो नीचे की सरफेस इन फर्स्ट पिक्चर यू कैन सी कुछ पोर्शन येलो है, कुछ पोर्शन ग्रीन है. So this chlorophyll is restricted to the upper surface of the leaf. And why they are restricted to upper surface of the leaf? So that they can trap. Chlorophyll क्या करती है? They trap the sunlight and help in the process of photosynthesis, correct? So this green pigment chlorophyll are present. They are present on the upper surface of the leaf that helps to trap the sunlight, that receives sunlight. And stomata are also present on the upper surface of the leaf. And what is the function of stomata? To exchange. Stomata क्या function है? They exchange gases. Oxygen और carbon dioxide का exchange होता है, correct? So stomata are present on the upper surface of the leaf, and a thick waxy coating is present on the upper surface of the leaf ताकि उन leaves के ऊपर पानी ठहरे नहीं, पानी रुके नहीं. अगर पानी उनके ऊपर आ जाएगा तो what will happen? They will decay, they will start rotting, खराब होना start हो जाएंगे. तो लीव्स के ऊपर पानी ठहरे नहीं, उस वजह से उनके ऊपर एक कोटिंग होती है. A thick waxy cuticle is present on the upper surface of leaf so that the leaves don't got rot, वो खराब ना हो, इस वजह से एक waxy coating present होती है. The example of free floating aquatic plants are water hyacinth, water lettuce and duckweed. ठीक है, याद रहेगा.
Air, fixed aquatic plants.
Second type of aquatic plant is fixed aquatic plant. From the word it is clear. First क्या था? Free floating, वो float कर सकते थे. Second is fixed aquatic plant. It is fixed, it is rooted. This type of plant are also called rooted floating plant. Means उनकी roots जो है वो pond के bottom soil में fixed रहती है. ठीक है.
Plants like lotus and water lily have their roots fixed to the soil at the bottom of the pond. They have hollow, light, flexible stem.
So their roots are fixed to the soil bottom of soil. ठीक है. And इनकी leaves कैसी होती हैं? Leaves और stem कैसी होती हैं? It's hollow, light and flexible stem. So that they can move, so that they can float, not float, so that they can move with the water current. They are flexible, they are hollow.
That bend in the direction of flowing water. This prevents them from getting damaged or uprooted. They have broad leaves that float on the surface of the water and stomata on the upper surface of.
इनकी leaves कैसी होती हैं? They have broad leaves and stomata are present on the upper surface of the leaf. This type of leaves also have waxy coating on their surface. This type of plants also have waxy coating on their surface. So the leaves are water repellent.
Of the leaves, which prevents water from blocking the pores. Underwater plants.
Underwater plants are also called submerged plants. Third type of classification, third type of aquatic plant is underwater plants.
Plants like
So example, what are the example of fixed rooted plants? Lotus and water lily. Next is underwater plants, also known as submerged plants. From the word it is clear, underwater they are totally inside the water. वो पानी के अंदर है, ठीक है? Examples are pondweed, tape grass, hydrilla. Okay.
pondweed and tape grass remain completely submerged underwater. They are also known as submerged plants. Their roots are fixed to the bottom of the pond. They have narrow, ribbon-like leaves with no stem.
So, इनकी leaves कैसी होती है? इनकी these plants have narrow ribbon-like leaves, okay, and they don't have stomata. They breathe through their body surface. Body surface से वो breathe करते हैं. They, as they don't have stomata, so how they will exchange gases? So they breathe through their body surface.
Stomata and breathe through their body surface. Such plants help in cleaning up the water by removing carbon dioxide that is breathed out by aquatic animals. They release oxygen in turn for the aquatic animals.
So they are very helpful for all aquatic animals. Why? Because they help in cleaning up of carbon dioxide that are released by aquatic animals. Aquatic animals जो carbon dioxide छोड़ते हैं उसको clean करने का काम करता है कौन? Submerged plants. And in turn they release oxygen for aquatic animals. Okay, clear? What is aquatic plants? ये सबको clear है? ये सब नहीं.
मैम जो एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स होते हैं मैम वो क्या बोलते हैं वाटर पे अपने आप ही ग्रो जाते हैं. जैसे कोई अगर बर्ड आ रही है तो वो सीड डालती है, फिर ड्रॉप करती है तो वो अपने आप ग्रो जाते हैं.
हाँ, अपने आप ग्रो होते हैं वो.
मैम मैं एक बार एक पॉन्ड पे मैंने देखा था कि मैम पूरे पॉन्ड पे मतलब लोटस ही लोटस है. तो मैम इतने सारे लोटस पूरे खुद से हुए थे.
लोटस हार्वेस्टिंग बेटा, वो तो फिर वो लोटस हार्वेस्टिंग हो गई. वो अपने इकोनॉमिक पर्पस से वो ग्रो कर रहे हैं वहां पे, ठीक है? वो अपने इनकम के लिए ग्रो कर रहे हैं. लाइक हम वीट की फार्मिंग करते हैं, हार्वेस्टिंग करते हैं, वैसे ही लोटस की भी हार्वेस्टिंग होती है. तो दे कैन ग्रो, ऐसा अपने आप ग्रो हो जाते हैं. मीन्स ऐसी जगह पे कहीं इधर उधर ग्रो हो रहे हैं, मीन्स वो ऑटोमेटिकली अपने आप ग्रो हो रहे हैं. बट प्रॉपरली अगर कोई हार्वेस्टिंग कर रहा है दैट मीन्स वो ग्रो कर रहे हैं, वो उसे उगा रहे हैं वहां पे. सो जो आप बोल रहे हो दैट इज लोटस हार्वेस्टिंग.
एंड मैम जो फ्री फ्लोटिंग प्लांट्स होते हैं मैम उनकी फिक्स्ड रूट नहीं होती मैम. तो मतलब वो ग्रो कैसे होते हैं? उनकी रूट्स ही नहीं रहते तो फिर वो कैसे ग्रो
उनकी
करते हैं?
रूट्स रहती है बेटा, उनकी रूट्स रहती हैं, बट दे आर नॉट रूटेड टू द बॉटम. वो सॉइल से रूटेड नहीं रहते. उनकी रूट्स रहती है पर वो पानी में ही रहती है. तो वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो है वो पानी से लेते हैं.
यस मैम.
उनकी रूट नहीं रहती, रूट्स रहती. आरब, you are chatting with your friends. Yes, Arab? क्या पता है अभी? Left the class. Very good. So you will be marked absent. आरब को बता देना he is marked absent today. Let's continue. So अभी हमने पढ़ा what is aquatic plants. Now let's see what are aquatic animals. And what are the adaptations that they have made in their body? Arab,
change direction and also move forward.
one more special type of organ are present in fish body, that is swim bladder. क्या करता है swim bladder? It is an air-filled bag, helps them to stay afloat and rise in water. उन्हें air-filled bag, swim bladder is an air-filled bag, जिस वजह से वो उनका वेट जो है वो लाइट रहता है और उस वजह से वो फ्लोट कर सकते हैं पानी में.
Their body is streamlined, pointing or tapering at both ends and broad at the center.
So they have streamlined body. What do you mean by streamlined body? Streamlined body means they have pointing and tapering. यहाँ पे in front they have pointing and in the end they have tapering ends. Pointing and tapering ends and broad in the center, at the center.
This enables them to move freely in water. A slimy coating helps the fish to glide through the water. The ducks, swans, and geese live in water most of the time. Their feathers are waterproof as they are coated with oil. They feed on water insects, snails, and aquatic plants with their wide beaks. Dolphins, seals, whales, sea lions, and walruses live in water. But they are not fish, they are mammals.
What is the difference between fish and mammals? What do you mean by mammals? Yes, Riddhi.
मैम फिश और मैम ये जो डॉल्फिन, वेल, सील, सी लॉयन और वायरलेस होता है मैम. फिश मैम फिश बहुत हल्की होती है एंड मैम डॉल्फिन, वेल, सी लॉयन एंड वायरलेस मैम लोग का वेट हैवी रहता है.
First is fish or mammals. They are not fish. They are mammals. Why they are called mammals? उन्हें mammals क्यों बोलते हैं? उन्हें fish क्यों नहीं बोलते? What is the major difference? Big difference क्या है? Weight is not the difference. ये सब नहीं बताओ.
मैम मैमल्स डायरेक्ट बच्चा देते हैं, वो एग नहीं देते.
Yes. The difference is they directly give birth to babies, young ones. ठीक है? Mammals directly give birth to babies and fishes they lay eggs. This is the difference. Now, whales and dolphins, they are warm-blooded. I am reading the paragraph that is given in page number 114. Whales and dolphins are warm-blooded aquatic mammals that have an insulating layer of fat called blubber. So, whales and dolphins have an insulating layer of fat. Layer of fat को क्या बोल रहे हैं? Blubber. That keeps their body warm and help them to float. पानी में रहेंगे ठंड नहीं लग जाएगी. So to keep them warm, to keep their body warm, they have an insulating layer of fat that is called blubber. Okay. They have single or paired blowholes on the back surface of their head that help them to take in the air when they come out. So जब वो पानी से बाहर आते हैं, so you can say that they can breathe through this blowhole. They have a pair of, या तो फिर they have single, या तो single hole होता है, या तो फिर दो pair blowhole होते हैं. Okay, that help them to breathe in air. Like humans, like as they are mammals, so like humans, they too have lungs for breathing. Their body is streamlined so that they can float in water, and they have fin that help them to swim in water. Now let's see about seals and sea lion. In next class I will take test on this. So पूरे चैप्टर को आप अच्छे से पढ़ोगे, because I am going to give inside question also, questions from inside the chapter. So अच्छे से पढ़ोगे. In next class I am going to take test. अभी बहुत सारे बच्चों ने क्लास लेफ्ट कर दी. No one will tell them कि नेक्स्ट क्लास में टेस्ट है. ओके, those who are present here, अगर इसमें से कोई भी बताया, मुझे सबके नाम भी यहाँ पे शो कर रहे हैं, तो इसमें से अगर किसी ने भी बाकी बच्चों को बताया कि नेक्स्ट क्लास में टेस्ट है, तो मैं आप सबके मार्क्स माइनस कर दूंगी. सो तिथि, लब्धि, वृद्धि, धैर्य, अवनी, मोहित, शाश्वत, दर्शन, मौलिक एंड सुहानी. नो वन विल टेल. शौर्य को कोई नहीं बताएगा, आरव को भी कोई नहीं बताएगा, तनय को कोई नहीं बताएगा कि नेक्स्ट क्लास में इस चैप्टर के ऊपर टेस्ट है.